This book took me months to write, and the reason behind it started way earlier. Let me tell you. My name is Inzo. I'm the founder of SkillSell. SkillSell is a non-profit program here in Uzbekistan, and it teaches one skill that nobody else teaches them: how to sell yourself. Here is what I kept seeing again and again: talented students with real skills, with real projects, and even with real potential struggle to answer one simple question: tell me about yourself. And they freeze. And then they apply for internships and jobs and hearing nothing back. Not because they're not good enough, but because nobody ever taught them how to show their value. Think about it. We spend years learning skills and 0 hours how to present them. That gap costs students opportunities every single day. And frankly, that made me angry. So I built this thing I wish existed. SkillSell is a non-profit program here in Uzbekistan that teaches in 4 areas: LinkedIn, portfolios, personal branding, and storytelling. And can you imagine, we don't just teach theory, but we teach practical skills as well. And these all are absolutely free. Because the students who need this most are students who can afford it. For that reason, we made it free. Does it work for you? We track every single student after the program, and they are landing jobs and internships. And the students who couldn't answer just one question, tell me about yourself, are now getting messages from recruiters. And that's not luck, that's the skill, and skill can be taught. And now, everything we teach, I put into one place. And this is SkillSell, the art of selling yourself. Every chapter is built on real research. Harvard Business School, Stanford, studies on how recruiters actually read your CV, how people actually remember you, how trust is actually built. And it's built on what worked for our own students right here. It's not a motivational book. It will not tell you, just believe in yourself and leave you hanging. Rather, it shows you the mechanism, why some students get noticed, but others get ignored, and how to be the first kind. Let me tell you what's actually inside it. It walks you through the whole thing, step by step. How to build a personal brand that people remember. How to write about yourself so recruiters stop scrolling. How to turn your LinkedIn from an empty page into something that brings opportunities to you. How to build a portfolio when you think you have nothing to put in it. And how to tell your story in an interview without sounding rehearsed. And I want to thank both professors, Professor Emmanuel Magadi and Professor Beatrice, because they helped me a lot on writing the book, and even they added the book. If you are a student and nobody ever taught you how to sell yourself, that's exactly why SkillSell exists. And if you want to get the book, follow our Instagram and Telegram. That's where we post our lessons and everything new. And see you in the next video.